Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am unboxing for you something different. This is the 31 Deluxe Deluxe Enrollment Kit. You can get a signature one for 115 Canadian, or you can get the deluxe one for, it came to $263 with taxes, shipping, and everything Canadian. So I signed up for an enrollment kit because I loved all 31 things. I went to a 31 party and I couldn't decide what to get. I thought I would sign up for the enrollment kit because it had the most stuff in it. And then I thought I could also do a fundraiser for my son's soccer team. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And I thought I'd show you and unbox everything that comes in this box because I've seen some other unboxings, but they don't have all of the welcome materials. So the first thing that you're greeted with here is the Deluxe Enrollment Kit flyer, and it tells you everything that's inside, and it actually gives you a rundown on everything that you have in your box here, so that you can help to show and display things at a party. And it also has getting ready to grow your business, a new consultant how-to guide. So it probably tells you things like how to use the website and how to get started on some different things. So it comes in a nice folder. And there should be some business supplies in here as well. So one of the things that comes in this enrollment kit is the Around the Town Tote, and has care instructions. It has a zipper pocket on the inside and two little pockets to store things in. You never have enough pockets. It has a cell phone pocket on the outside, and actually even matches what I am wearing today, because I've got this little pop of this golden color that would match that quite nicely. So that's really nice, and it's got a nice texture to it, and it would match the All About the Benjamins wallet. So yeah, so there it says the Around the Town Tote. This is a Studio 31 Classic, and it is in the color black, and it is just the body of the purse, and then you can add your own straps and flaps, and you can customize it yourself. So it's got the one pocket with a zipper to attach the flaps, and that's a really nice little pocket on the outside. Cell phone pocket here again, beautiful. And on the inside, it's got, again, the same two pockets and a zipper pocket there. So that's nice with the silver metal straps on the sides. You could customize that and add the designs that you like. You could pick the flap you like. You could pick the strap, the length of it, the color, to all coordinate. And then here's the other style of Studio 31 bag. Now this is the modern, and it has a longer body and all the same features. Cell phone pocket, the same button and zipper to attach your flap to the outside. The inside has a zipper pocket as well as two interior pockets, and then a nice amount of space. And it's like a beige on the inside. So this is a camel color. Silver hooks on the side again. So that's the caramel pebble charm that's on there. So that's nice. In this bundle here, you also get the thermal tote, and it has a really cute little saying on it, Bon Appetit. And that reminds me of that movie, Julia Childs. Had that little saying, so that was cute. So this is a really nice black, very subtle pattern, very pretty with the pink. I super like that customization that you can put on there. It's got a little pocket on the outside if you wanted to bring any like utensils or napkins and things to work in your lunch bag, and then it's got a nice thermal lining. So I could definitely see using that as a lunch bag to bring to work. Nice black zipper, feels very nice quality, and it folds up nice and flat. This box was really heavy. When I went to pick it up, I thought, oh, I'll just, you know, sort of lean over, and I was trying to balance a door and hold the dog from attacking the post office worker, and then I was like, I can't just lightly pick this up. There's a lot of stuff in here. I have to use two hands and a concerted effort to pick up this box. So this is the April special. This is the Fresh Market Thermal, and it's on sale in Canada this month for $20. I think it's regular $62, so it's actually quite a good deal. I actually had some company over, and they had brought a dish with them, and the contraption that they used to keep their 9x13 pan warm was like, you need a Fresh Market Thermal, and she was sold. She was like, yes, I absolutely do, because she came with the dish in a roasting pan with towels all wrapped around it. It was this giant thing, and it's like you can easily just put it in something nice like this, and you could fit two 9x13s in this, and you can also use this as a cooler, so you can use the thermal tote to keep things hot or to keep things cold. So it's got a nice pocket again on the outside. They're all about the pockets, and then a leak lock lining, so if you put ice directly in there, it's not going to leak on you. So that's really nice, and I like it in that color. It's a very subtle color. I could see carrying around. You could get your husband to carry that in if you were going to a party, and he wouldn't feel shy walking in with a plain gray tote. This is the new Island Nights pattern that I really, really like, and this is the zip top organizing tote. And I have one of these. This is the very first 31 product that I owned, and I actually won it as a prize, and it made me wonder, what is this company? Because it is the most amazing bag, and it is one of their top sellers, so I'm not surprised, because it's got so many neat pockets that you can really store a lot of things. Like I bring this to work with me as a work bag, and you can put like I hold my little tea sachets in here. You can put a water bottle, some little snacks and things. So it works really well, and it has a lot of room, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. It's really a great bag, and I love that design. This is one of the most popular products, and this is the large utility tote, and it comes in this beautiful stripe. I love the customization with this flower. It really adds a lot to have that beautiful flower on there. I really like that pop of yellow against the green. It looks really very pretty. And this is something that a lot of people use to, you could use it to bring to the grocery store. You could use it to fold your laundry and put away. But the way that I saw it used, and the way that I look forward to using it, is for scrapbooking. I went to a scrapbooking conference, and I can't tell you how many 31 products there were in that room. I literally could not count. They make such great organizing products for crafters that I was excited, and I'm really excited to see what they have in the fall. So included in the enrollment kit come 10 pink envelopes, and they have a 31 flap that's printed. They also give you an enrollment pack that has your order forms, and it's also got some, let's open this up here too. Opportunity brochure. I guess this is if other people wanted to sign up for the enrollment kit. The cost and the benefits of being a consultant. So there's the 25 pack of hostess flyers, and then the order form, yeah, a pack of 50. And it must be sort of like a newsletter type magazine, and all about their giving program. Oh, this is fun. This is a product key on a nice little clip. Let's see what the business materials are. So we get 15 of the seasonal guides for spring 2019, 15 of those. And then there are 25 of the 31 catalogs. So that's a really nice amount of catalogs. That'll be exactly the number of things that I need for hosting my fundraiser. Oh, this is exciting. I was really happy to see that they included it. I didn't know it was going to be this big. They include this Pinwheel party collection sample guide to show people the different patterns that you can choose, which is really nice because being new and only having the samples that are in this box, people can see close up, because sometimes the patterns on magazines and stuff can look a little bit different than they do in person. It's nice to touch and feel things and see them up close. So that's great. I'm glad that they've included that. That's a fun little material to show things to people. You've got the Pinwheel Party, Fun Flags, Garden Party, Dot Trio, and Scallop Stripe. Okay, the other thing that is in this is the Studio 31 flap, the Twill Stripe, Rose Blush with a Pebble material, and Black Beauty. They're magnetic and they're sticking to each other. And the third one and fourth one is the Double Stripe. So we'll try putting one of those on one of the bags. You also get a pillow cover, and it is in natural. It's a canvas pillowcase. It has a really pretty design that says "Love Grows Here" in some nice neutral sort of colors and in a succulent pattern that is quite popular. So that's nice for spring. You can buy pillow forms on your own, or you can actually get one from 31 as well. And this is the All About the Benjamins wallet, and it also could coordinate with what I'm wearing today. Place for your cards to go in here, and then a place for receipts, a change purse. You have a little pocket for cash, and then some more cards can go in there as well. I've heard lots of really good things about this product. People really like it. I think it would actually be really, really pretty in combination with your Around the Town tote. I don't know if that fits in there, no. But it's a really nice sort of match, the way that that coordinates, and that would make a little smart little combination, those two together. And then you get the wristlet strap, the crossbody strap, and then the shoulder strap. This is in black, this is in caramel, and this is in that Fields of Gold color. Again, that matches the wallet, so you can attach that to your wallet there. You can use it to put your keys on. So that's to construct your purse. The final two products are the home decor pieces. And so this is one of the Hostess specials. This is the Close to Home tray. It's a natural wood that is food safe, and it's made from mango tree or mango wood or something. This is a really beautiful saying that they have on here that says "Live Simply," and it has this really subtle and pretty sort of branch and leaf pattern with these nice iron handles It feels really sturdy. It's something that you could display on your mantle or something when you weren't using it, but then you could use it as, you know, to just put out some meat and cheese, a charcuterie board. And on the back it says 31, and it has these little foam pads, and it has that it's made in India, food safe, wipe clean, do not submerge in water. So that is that product. And then the final one is another item from that same line. And I need to just open here. Here we go. And this is called the Close to Home Caddy. You can get this 70% off if you host a party in the month of April and you have a $600 in sales. And so this is great with 3 separate storage compartments to store, if you could picture things, you're a crafter like me, put your pens and your scissors and your tools, punches and things up in here, or you could use it, I've seen it on people's tables, to have knives, forks, and spoons. Anyway, there's a number of different things that you could use this for. It says Mi Casa ES TU CASA, and it's got this cute little pattern of some sort of floral. It's perhaps like a cattail, looks like it might be on there. Again, that same wrought iron handle, nice quality, sturdy piece that would look great on display in your home. So that's everything. If you are interested in following my page, I'm going to create a Facebook group that by the time this video goes up, it'll already be created. So if you wanted to come on, I am going to call my Facebook page Contain It Canada, because in my opinion, 31 has like the best storage solutions, and they help you contain everything except your excitement, because I am so excited about all of these things. I couldn't wait for this box to come, and I'm so happy to be able to share it all with you. If you want to go over to my Facebook page and check it out, it'll be a closed group, but if you request to join, I will confirm you. I'd love to have you along if you want to see some other great products and some fun ideas I have for online parties. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye.